Hey everyone, today we're here at the Magic Kingdom since we're going to be checking out all sorts of updates regarding construction on Big Thunder Mountain and checking out the park. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now right here we have the official park map for Magic Kingdom. Right here, if we go along, we can see Big Thunder Mountain right now temporarily closed for refurbishment, where we can still see Big Thunder Mountain on top. However, it is important to know that when it comes to certain attractions like Astro Orbiter or even Hall Presidents coming soon, there's going to be a lot of refurbishments happening, so be prepared if you want to enjoy those attractions. For Magic Kingdom, Big Thunder Mountain is going on a year-long refurbishment from January 6th to 2016. Astro Orbiter is closing on January 13th for refurbishment and will reopen in summer 2025. Hall Presidents will close on January 20th, and it's set to reopen later in 2025. Also, it looks as if the entrance for the railroad is currently closed due to refurbishment, where you'll need to take the other stairs in order to ride this attraction. But most importantly, Christmas decorations in Main Street, USA is now officially gone, where the Christmas tree is no longer here and all decorations are no longer here as well. So right now we can actually see that Space Mountain is 40 minutes, Tron is 55, 15 for Dumbo, and Barnstormer, not too bad at all. And then let's see, 15 for Little Mermaid, 60 for Seven Dwarfs. Really not a bad day if it's 60 minutes. And then 50 for Peter Pan, 30 minutes for Small World, which is too low. And then 30 minutes for Haunted Mansion. Okay. And then 30 minutes for Jungle Cruise. This is not a bad day at all to visit here. And then let's see. No. And then let's see. 35 minutes for Pirates of the Caribbean. Alright then. And now for the 50th anniversary, we're going to start off our rides with Space Mountain.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that takes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch.
Space Mountain. That whole entire ride was so amazing. Really, with Space Mountain, it is a fun ride. It is a classic for a reason, where it's thrilling and fun at the same time. It's not too fast, and for a 50-year-old attraction, still holds up to this day. Now, I should probably say this because Parasailing Progress at Magic Kingdom is celebrating its 50th anniversary. This is an iconic attraction that is basically going through the past, present, and future, where it follows his family. And ever since the World's Fair back in 1964, now we can also see some construction happening for the brand new Frontierland Disney Vacation Club lounge that's happening. It's set to open this summer, but it'll be interesting to see. And now we're here at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Now, unfortunately, until 2026, Big Thunder Mountain is going under a lengthy refurbishment where, according to the sign, we can see that there's a notice saying Big Thunder Mountain Railroad closed under further notice by order of Barnabas T. Bullion, founder and president of Big Thunder Mining Company. Questions or concerns may be addressed to interim foreman. You be patient. And according to Disney, they said the attraction will reopen with a little bit of new magic in 2026. They actually are working to retrack part of, if not the entire attraction, where they're also going to be adding some new effects to make sure that this attraction is better than ever. And it'll be the same ride, but there'll just be some new touches of magic coming, and it'll be hopefully a lot more smoother. Look, a squirrel's trying to get in. Oh, it's going in. Okay. Now, weirdly enough, Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse is actually now officially reopened. Although you can still see that they're doing some more work regarding some construction where there's a bunch of tarps around the tree as a whole. So while it's not officially complete as of yet, the treehouse is now open for all guests. Now, there is a bunch of merchandise, starting off with the Play in the Park collection, with the gray t-shirt of Mickey and the Gang, pink t-shirt, Loungefly, shorts, headband, handbag, Loungefly, and there's even a special spirit jersey of Mickey and Minnie on Space Mountain. There's even some 2025 collectible medallions, with one of Mickey and Minnie in front of Cinderella Castle, another one of Daisy and Donald, Chip and Dale, and even one of Goofy and Pluto, where it's going to be $6 for each, or for 4 of them, $20. There's even 2025 press pennies with one of Tinkerbell, Pluto, Chip and Dale, and Donald. Now, here at Main Street Confectionery, there's actually Colonel Kitchen, where they create some customized popcorns. And for Valentine's Day, you have your very own Strawberry Crunch Popcorn for Valentine's Day, where it is a pink Valentine's themed delight featuring a mix of strawberry flavored popcorn, gooey marshmallows, crunchy M&Ms, and a decadent chocolate drizzle. Even then, you can customize toppings to your heart's content, as this is a unique treat for $16.99. And that is going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Magic Kingdom. I had such a fun time checking out what's new and having a cool yet great day at the park, as always. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite thing to do at Magic Kingdom? I would love to know. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.